Bankruptcy and immigration. It used to be if you had entered the country illegally or if you were undocumented, and if you had at some point used a social security number that wasn't your own before you got an ITIN, then when you filed your bankruptcy, the U.S. trustee assigned to your case, U.S. trustee is an administration office, and they assigned administrators to your case. The trustee assigned to your case would have to refer it to the U.S. Attorney's Office to possibly investigate federal crimes, any sort of federal crimes that you might have committed, whether it was in taxes or entering the country illegally or whatnot. And most often what would happen is nothing. And so you would just file your case and eventually you'd get your discharge just like everybody else and everything would be fine. And so what happens now? Well, under the Biden administration, we knew nothing would happen. Under the previous Trump administration, we were pretty sure nothing would happen. Under this administration, now, I don't know. And that's exactly why I'm doing this video. I want to tell you, I just don't know. If the U.S. Trustee's Office and the U.S. Trustee assigned to your case decides that, hey, we better refer this over to the U.S. Attorney's Office, I don't know what'll happen. You better talk to an immigration attorney before you file.
Subscribe for more bankruptcy information.
Maybe an immigration attorney would have a better idea what probably would happen or wouldn't.
Because entering the country illegally is a crime.
So I recommend get a consultation from a U.S. immigration attorney, and then if he thinks it's okay or safe to file a bankruptcy, get him to tell me or whoever your bankruptcy attorney is. And even then, I'm not sure I believe it. I think an awful lot of the trustees would understand what you're going through and possibly not make the referral. But if this administration in Washington, the president and his people tell the U.S. Trustee's Office, better start referring those people to ICE or the INS, Immigration and Naturalization Service. I know a lot of them wouldn't do it, but an awful lot of them would have to do what they were told.